Hi, I'm Dr. Bryan DiMarco, and I'm a dentist at Renew Dental. We get a lot of questions from our patients about tooth whitening, and I'm here today to answer a few questions. So what tooth whitening is using a material on your teeth that removes the surface stain from your teeth. By removing the surface stain that builds up over time, it helps to show the nice white enamel that you have on your teeth so that you get a nice white and bright smile. So one of the best parts about whitening is that it doesn't damage your enamel. A lot of people are worried that it is going to damage your teeth, but it is one of the safest ways that we can whiten your teeth without causing any long-term effects. So the way that we whiten teeth at our office is that patients will use custom trays that are made specifically for them. They will add some whitening material into them, and they'll wear them on their teeth for a certain amount of days and for a certain amount of time. Gradually over time, what will happen is the surface stain will get removed and get them to the result that they're looking for. One of the main issues with at-home products is that they're typically not as strong as the ones that you get in a dental office. A lot of the times what we see with those at-home products is that patients just simply kind of lose interest over time because it ends up taking too much time to get to the result. The other issue is that you could end up buying a product that's not as safe for your teeth and might result in more sensitivity and issues like that. Fortunately, with whitening, it isn't a permanent solution. The results of whitening typically are going to last about 6 to 12 months. That will depend though on how often you are drinking things that stain your teeth, such as coffee or tea, or if you're a smoker. The good thing with whitening though is generally once you do that initial phase, as long as you're keeping up with it every 6 months or 12 months, you usually can maintain your results for the long term. One of the common questions that we get is that are we going to have any sensitivity after the whitening? It is common to get some sensitivity with the whitening. The good news is that this is just a temporary thing. Usually that sensitivity is going to last for a couple of days and then it will go away. While you are sensitive, you can manage it with Advil or Tylenol, and that will help to take away that sensitivity. So the best way that we're going to be able to retain the results of your whitening is making sure that we're avoiding things that cause stains on your teeth. The big ones that we always talk about with patients is coffee, tea, red wine. Also, if you're a smoker, that also is going to result in staining coming back more quickly. The other way that we can prevent it from returning is making sure that we're continuing with routine cleanings. At your routine cleanings, we're going to be removing that bacteria and stain from your teeth, and that's going to help to keep them white as well. So we can schedule a teeth whitening appointment at any time at our office. What we do though is we like to do an exam and cleaning first so that we can make sure that your teeth don't have any cavities. One of the big problems is if you just jump right into whitening and you have a lot of cavities, the sensitivity that you get is going to be very extreme and you're going to have a lot of pain. And we want to avoid that situation so that you are still able to eat and chew and go about your life normally. So at our office specifically, we offer a program called Renew Your Smile Lifetime Whitening Program. What that entails is after you've completed your exam and x-rays and we fix any cavities, we'll make a couple of custom trays for you. We'll send you home with a starter whitening kit that we can basically get your teeth to that nice white smile that you're looking for. From there, when you come in for remaining cleanings, as long as we're coming in on a routine schedule, we'll also give you a free whitening gel so that you can continue to keep the results that you got at the start. So I hope I was able to answer some of your questions about teeth whitening. If you are interested in learning more or you'd like to schedule an appointment with our office, please give us a call at 204-259-3804.